We just got back from a family day out in Newport. We had so much fun, but I didn't pump for like 6.5 hours. So let's go do that. Wow. I'm actually just gonna pour this right into tomorrow's pitcher. So let's do that. And then I have a ton of milk in the fridge that we need to freeze. So we're gonna do that as well. That was about 16 ounces. This is technically the milk from yesterday that I pumped the day before yesterday. So this needs to get frozen. And then this is all from yesterday. I'll be completely honest. I'm kind of behind. Like I haven't been pumping as much as I really should. But I've also been nursing a lot more too. So like, I guess it's fine. Didn't even get a chance to put this into a jug today because I had so much left over from yesterday's jug that like, that's what we use today. Anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this right into there, and then I'm gonna freeze all of this, but I'm just gonna mix it all together. So this is gonna be quite a bit. Also, I did see a lot of your comments, and because I said like I would make a video just about like my supply and stuff, like what I'm doing this time, so I didn't forget. I need to do that. Ooh, this one's got like a lot of fat on top. Oh boy. Alright, that's a lot. Alright, that's about 40 ounces that we need to freeze. So we're gonna give that all a mix, and let's get to bagging. I'm gonna use this bottle to measure it out just because there's like a bunch of stuff left in there. So I figure by the time I bag it all up, I should get all of that stuff out. I'm still doing 4 ounce, like freezing it in 4 ounce intervals because that's how much Grayson has been eating. And I'm pretty sure, like, I'm trying to think with Kennedy, I feel like we stayed at 4 ounces for like a little while. So I just feel like, but also too, like I feel like technically these bags hold 6 ounces, but like I don't, like the one time I actually froze 6 ounces in this, like the bag ended up like breaking, so like once it froze. So alright, I'm gonna go like this. I am getting better at this. My best friend came by and she was showing me how she freezes hers. And she like squeezes the air out, but I find this counter method that you guys told me about like so much easier. I don't know, I just find this way a lot easier personally. So that's pretty good. I mean, there's like a couple little bubbles, but I used to get like the giant bubble right there, and now I don't, because my besties over here on TikTok, you guys have my back, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and freeze these up. I also, we should also chat about that. We actually do have a deep freezer, but we have not used it in a few years. It's in our basement, and realistically, like I know that the milk lasts longer. It's like 12 months in a deep freezer, 6 months in like your regular freezer. I know it would last longer, however, I'm just not comfortable with like putting this in the basement freezer because I don't know, like we're going into summer, and I don't know, I don't know, I just feel more comfortable with it upstairs. So what I'm thinking is because I am starting to fill up this freezer. So I don't know, I was talking to Carl about it. Realistically, what I'll probably end up doing is just kind of using our garage refrigerator freezer, whatever. Can't talk, I'm so tired. Probably will use that to store like our food, and then this freezer will end up all milk. So anywho, come on, air bubbles. I've also been getting a lot of clots recently, which I made like a couple videos about. In fact, I think I forgot to post one. I've been getting like quite a bit of clots. So I feel like, I don't know. Maybe I just need to be more hydrated. That's what my sister was telling me. I don't know. but it's no fun. So I'm also getting kind of hungry. Dexter's right there. He looks so cute. Let me show you. Look how cute he looks. Oh my goodness. And Grayson's back there taking a nap. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. Carl is currently in the basement working out. We don't really have we don't have much downstairs, but we've got like a few pieces of gym equipment, so it's nice, you know, just to be able to go down there. And because I went to the gym this morning. Today was actually my first day back to the gym in a very long time, like way too long, which that's a whole video in itself. I used to work out like 4 to 5 times a week. I didn't realize how in shape I actually was until recently, looking back at pictures, but I was so in shape before I got pregnant with Kennedy, and then I've said it so many times before, but I had to stop working out at about like 19, 20, 21 weeks pregnant with Kennedy, because that's when my pregnancy became high risk. So, and then I just honestly never really got back to it, but now I'm determined, and I don't know, I just really enjoy working out, and I feel great when I work out, so I'm excited. I went back today, and I met up with my friend, who I haven't seen in a while, so it was great to catch up with her, and yeah, it was just really good. So, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and freeze these. I have a feeling that, because I'm doing, it was about 40 ounces, I have a feeling I'm gonna have like 10 bags of 4 ounces. Alright, I'm gonna pause this because if you guys are still watching this, hi, thank you for watching, and I hope that I'm not boring you. I'm just catching up with y'all. Because I feel like I haven't chatted with y'all in a couple days, okay? 10 bags, 4 ounces each. Now we gotta label them and then also make room in the freezer. Cause we're running out of space. I've been laying them flat in a Tupperware, but the Tupperware is not gonna hold all these. I just need a whole shelf now at this point for freezing them. Yeah. So that is all the stuff that's already in like Ziploc bags, and then this is the stuff that I'm freezing right now. And now to make a late night snack, I think I'm just gonna do like a box of mac and cheese. I have some water boiling, and then we gotta get some sleep. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I was about to say Sunday. Well, it's almost Sunday, but hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye.